Hi everyone, welcome to Token Topics. XLM's the topic. We're going to dive into the latest news and developments of what's going on with the Stellar Development Foundation. Recently, they were at a big event in Paris, and we're going to look into that. Also, a big Stellar announcement through its COINME partner, and a Stellar connection to Polkadot. If you're a Stellar fan, you don't want to miss this, please do hit the like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm also not paid for or sponsored by the SDF. Let's go ahead and dive in. Keep your crypto safe with a DCENT Biometric wallet. What talks about exchanges going down and cyber attacks, it's smart to keep it on a hardware wallet. Purchase it now through Token Topics and receive a discount. I'm going to put the affiliate links in the description below. We've come to the end of the DCENT wallet giveaway event. This is exciting. March 31st, which is this Friday, 5 lucky winners are going to be announced on the channel, so stay tuned. In case you missed it, USDC built on Stellar is now available in the COINME wallet. Excited to help additional communities experience reduced costs and faster settlements for peer-to-peer transactions, Circle tweeted out. This really is exciting news for the Stellar ecosystem. Mark Hainan, who's Vice President of Partnerships at Stellar, and he has an extensive background, he's excited too. In fact, he's beyond excited. He tweets out, "Thanks to COINME's integration of USDC on Stellar, the future of finance is now at your fingertips, lightning fast, ultra affordable, and as user-friendly as it gets. The Stellar network is a perfect fit for Circle's USDC as it was built to accommodate various types of digital assets, including traditional currencies and assets. This makes it a hub for USDC activity with the potential to dispatch USDC for merely a fraction of a cent." That's big. He continues, "They're excited about the possibilities that this partnership brings as it provides millions of unbanked or underbanked Americans with a new avenue to access digital finance and greater financial inclusion. Try it out for yourself." I'll put the link to this down below. This is major right here. Crypto payment specialist Stellar bridges fiat and stablecoins to Polkadot. Polkadot is a major blockchain. I've spoken on this channel in the past. It's similar to what Cosmos is doing as far as the internet of blockchains, allowing all these different blockchains to connect and communicate with each other. So this is pretty impressive. Cryptocurrency payment specialist Stellar is linking to Polkadot and its sister network Kusama via the newly built Spacewalk Bridge, a move that will connect the two blockchain ecosystems with Stellar's fiat on-ramps around the world. That is big. It continues here. The bridge, built by a recent Polkadot parachain auction winner, Pendulum, aims to connect decentralized finance applications with foreign exchange markets, especially in emerging markets, where since it was founded in 2014, Stellar has built up a footprint and partnered with the likes of cross-border payments company MoneyGram. While crypto's banking rails in the U.S. have largely been dismantled thanks to the SEC, Gary Gensler, seasoned firms like Stellar and others are continuing to build out critical infrastructure to do the job elsewhere. Spacewalk's bridge is now live on Polkadot's so-called Canary network, Kusama, and a Polkadot version will be open within 1 week to 2 weeks' time, according to Pendulum co-founder. Paris Blockchain Week was a pretty big event for Stellar. If you're a Stellar fan, you know about this event. And so Danielle Dixon, she posted, "So much energy at Paris Blockchain Week. Grateful for the opportunity to share my voice. Words matter, and I believe it's more important than ever to think about the words we use to describe our collective work. We are responsible for how those outside of our industry see us. I see our work as solving real-world challenges in the face of a lot of FUD. Let's keep it up." Now, in that picture right there next to Danielle Dixon is Carmen Het from UNHCR, which brings me to my next topic. A lot of great news came out of this event. Congratulations to the UNHCR, the UN Refugee Agency, for being named winner of Paris Blockchain Week's Best Impact Blockchain Project Award. an honor recognizing their humanitarian aid pilot in Ukraine for its significant social impact delivering through blockchain technology. By leveraging a first-of-its-kind blockchain-powered aid disbursement system created in partnership between MoneyGram, Circle, and the Stellar Development Foundation, UNHCR is successfully dispersing cash assistance to displaced persons and other war-affected people in Ukraine, and they are proud to work alongside those partners to help deploy aid quickly, efficiently, and safely to families in crisis. One of Stellar's major partners is ARF, and they are also at the Paris Blockchain Week, and they posted that we should find a way to learn from those events and improve on them by making us more reliable and accountable. Let's dive into this to get a better understanding of that. And before I begin, there's other big names there too. Speakers from big companies like Ripple, Binance, Solana Foundation. So we're going to hear some words on how businesses can leverage digital assets.
Thank you so much for having us today in Paris, this beautiful city. I'm just going to check. I think we've only got 2 microphones. Is that correct? Are we sharing? Or are there any more? Okay, fine, we'll share. Fantastic. It's brilliant to be here. Paris is certainly alive this week. I think it is the place to be in Europe at the moment for digital assets. A very vibrant, exciting city and lots of faces that we know. So it's wonderful to be here. I'm Emma Joyce. I'm the CEO of GBBC Digital Finance, and I have an incredible panel with me today. We're going to be discussing how business can leverage digital assets. And it's my absolute honour to introduce Sandy Young, Managing Director of UK and Europe at Ripple, Ali Erhat Nalbant, Co-founder and CEO of ARF, Richard Tang, Regional Head of Europe at Binance, Eitan Masika, Co-founder of Nilos, and Austin Federa, Head of Strategy and Communications at Solana Foundation.
Hey. It's Ali from ARF. I'm one of the co-founders and I'm the CEO. I'm very excited to be here and talk with you and with this panel. So I can say we are purely focused on financial institutions as a customer, as a client, and we are only thinking and building our products and solutions around that. We are not really into consumers or merchants, businesses, more like if you're a licensed financial institution today, and especially if you are in cross-border payments, then you have a huge problem, like you have a locked working capital in the world due to correspondent banking. And there's $4 trillion locked today at any given time in pre-funded accounts in different countries in cross-border payments to work like it's the same-day settlements. So we are really focused on that by creating value in means of settlements, in means of liquidity, in means of compliance, regulatory perspective, and also in means of fiat on-ramp and off-ramps. So ARF is also by itself a regulated entity in Switzerland, and we believe that we are still pioneering this field. It's still very in early days, and we are still explorers in that sense. But I believe that finding right solutions should be around with finding right technology, finding the right digital asset, and finding the right regulatory perspective or compliance value in it. So on that sense, I believe currently we see huge demands to our solution, but there is also a huge doubt how to use stable coins, how to use digital assets, because financial institutions can use any kind of digital asset or any kind of stable coin anytime they want for settlement with their partners in different countries, basically. But however, they are fully responsible because they are audited and should be compliant. They should be compliant and stay compliant. They are fully audited by the regulator, and they have to defend themselves. They have to be auditable, reliable partners in financial industry. In that sense, I can say for I believe for financial institutions, licensed financial institutions, there will be, I believe we will see more and more actors providing infrastructure solutions from different designs, from different angles, which enable them step by step to trust, adopt digital assets, which allow them also provide these benefits, also the assets directly to their clients or consumers.
Stellar started Founder Stories. Their first subject is Tori Samples, who's a co-founder and former Chief Technology Officer of Boss Money, formerly Leaf Global FinTech. Tori hails from a background in data architecture and healthcare before she and her co-founder teamed up to build a digital wallet services provider for people crossing borders, all on Stellar. She's now a product manager at the Stellar Development Foundation. Let's go ahead and give a listen.
So I think any entrepreneur could look back and identify 10 to 20 pivotal moments that led them to where they are, because it is a mixture of skill and luck and timing, and so there are always moments that kind of shape your trajectory. But I think for me, there were some very early ones that made pursuing Leaf possible. My name is Tori Samples, and I am the co-founder and CTO of Leaf Global FinTech, which was recently acquired by IDT. Leaf is a provider of digital wallet services to people crossing borders, mostly in East Africa. We are live in 3 countries today with a smartphone version and a non-smartphone version, and it's all built on Stellar behind the scenes. One of the things that we're really excited about with Leaf is meeting people along the way at every piece of their financial journey. So we started with a cross-border wallet that helped refugees, migrants, and traders to bring their money with them across borders and send it back home. But we know that that's not the end of people's financial journeys. Once they get to a new place, they want to start a business or send money to friends and family across the region or improve their financial literacy. So we're helping them to do that. One of the things that is great about being part of a larger parent company with IDT is that they already have a broad base in fintech and telecommunications technology from 30 years of experience. So we're leveraging that. We are hoping to bring the 2 companies together technically and integrate so that people can use IDT's tools to send money into Leaf wallets across the world, and then once the money is in their Leaf wallet, be able to do a wide range of things with that money in order to improve their lives wherever they are.
That's all I have for the video. I want to say thank you for watching another edition of Token Topics. Please do hit the like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and go ahead and comment your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you.
Por segundo mes consecutivo, la inflación.
The world is full of tensions, all simultaneously pulling on the fabric of our financial system.
Hola, Ma. ¿Todo bien? ¿Qué pasa?
Mira, estoy acá afuera del banco. Ah, pero está cerrado. ¡Qué porquería! ¿Pero qué están haciendo? Déjenme pasar, que necesito sacar dinero.
L'avertissement intervient après que plusieurs rapports ont fait surface sur des voyageurs qui se font voler de force leur argent à des
And that
barrages.
is exactly where we see change peering through. Change that is powered by those who have the skills to create it. Change that includes the unincluded. A change that enables all the financial world has to offer to anyone, anywhere. Driven by technology that helps people to truly own what is theirs.
De l'argent pour mon téléphone, s'il te plaît.
Combien?
Le tout.
We are the bridge builders, connecting those who seek opportunities to those who dare to create them.
Les réfugiés n'ont pas de smartphone, on est d'accord. Bah, on les implémente plutôt sur ces téléphones. Vous en pensez quoi?
Our calling is to create tools for doing good by doing well.
Ma, no te preocupes. Yo te mando plata.
And doing well by doing good.
Mais sont entrés dans le camp avec l'intention délibérée d'intimider et de voler de l'argent, prenant les dernières épargnes de ceux qu'ils ont plus besoin.
And bridge technical and physical borders with technology for real world problems. Look, see the opportunities. We just need a way to bridge the obstacles. To create a more just world by acknowledging that everyone is valuable. and empower local solutions to solve local problems. The Stellar Network, a universe of opportunity.